Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering here at Free Online Trading and Education. I'm going on vacation. That's why it's a little bit different picture than I've been showing recently. But before that, we had a couple of extraordinary trades in the GrokStar room this morning. Today's lesson is on letting our winners run. This is on PLUG, on plug power, which is one that's been pretty active in the last week or so. And let's take a look here. What's it doing? After opening, it's running up here. It's doing a bull pullback here, or a pullback buy. You want to know more about that? Go to our site, freeonline.tradingeducation.com, and right here to the chart school. It's free. Here's a description of it, and here's a picture of it where it runs up and it pulls back to a line of support and starts to rotate around. And it's time for us to get along. Oh, while we're here, and while I'm away, we do have a couple of classes coming up here this week on Thursday at an evening, Friday afternoon, or Saturday morning. You can join us on one of these, and this week it is on technical analysis. I'm going to lead those sessions. Oh, the wonder of electronic communications these days. Hey, all I need is an internet and my laptop, and I can be leading these classes. So join me. I'm going to be leading these on these 3 days. So again, just go to our site, click right here, and there's a place for you to sign up for any one of those that works for you. All right, back to our trade here. So here we are. It pulls back. It's getting ready to go. And let's see what happened next. And boom, it popped out there. And I'm long at $5.85 as it broke through that 8 EMA. Each one of these is 2% here. So this is pretty extraordinary. Watch. And it starts to take off like this. Boom, 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 above the 50 moving average. So I'm keeping my stop just underneath this 8 EMA. And look at it going. It's pulling up here. It's going up. It's going up. And now here, see this high, swing high here from the day before? That could be resistance. And sure enough, it's starting to pull back. Keeping my stop up here right by the 8 EMA. And then, bam! Look at that. It pulled all the way back down here. Now this drop right here represents about 4.5% on one candle. Tough to defend against that, isn't it? So I did stop out at $6.48 for, ready for this, 10.6% on that trade in just 12 minutes. But now what's it doing? It's doing another bull pullback. So I get my order set up, and if it does break up here above that 8 EMA again, I want to go long. Have my order set at $6.50, and boom, there it goes. It pops up, and I got long at $6.56. And see how, look at that. Picture perfect on that. See that bull pullback? Picture perfect. And it's still going up. There's got to keep my stop up here because again, each one of these notches equals 2%, and it just pulled back here. It's right at the $7 mark. So I'm up here. I could pull back. Oh no, took off. Look at that. Kaboom! It goes up again. Keeping my stop just under this 8 EMA, and then bam! Look at that. Did it to me again. This time it's over a 4% drop in 1 minute. And it got me out at $7 even. As my stop, I just had pulled it up to there for a 8.9% trade in just 8 minutes. Ooh-ah. So the two trades together, in 20 minutes, we were able to get 19.6% just on these two trades. In fact, it was an extraordinary day in the GrokStar room. We were 12 of 24 called trades today. That's only 50% success rate, but we were able to cut our losers short and let the winners like these trades run for a net combined of all our trades together of 31.7%. Ooh, doggies, that's a great day. Anyway, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just want to remind you that our whole objective in trading is to develop a trading system that is consistent and that works for you. Trade well. I'll see you on March 21st.